Hi everyone. Thank you so much for joining Craving Crochet today. Today is Vintage Wednesday and it is June 16th, 2021.
Let me show you something.
Okay, thank you so much for tuning in to Craving Crochet once again. Another Vintage Wednesday is upon us. So I'm just going to show you how far I've come with this new pattern that I introduced last week. This pattern is called the Breakfast Jacket, and it's gorgeous. And I've just done up to the 4th row so far. I got to start the 4th row. So let me just show you what it looks like so far. So far, it seems pretty straightforward. Hopefully it'll stay that way. So I just have it in a bag here. Here's my hook. I'm going to remove that. And I'll just quickly show you what my project looks like so far. Here's the beautiful yarn. So like the pattern says, it's worked like, according to this diagram here, it's worked in a like a 3-point, I believe. And then that's the other side. If you want to download this pattern, it's free on my Facebook group, Craving Crochet. I'll leave the link here. And if you don't have Facebook, you can also get it on my blog, which is also called Craving Crochet. And I'll put the links on the bottom in the description. So this is it so far. I just started it and just been a busy week. My daughter had a baby, so it's been a busy time, but I'm trying to keep up with my videos and my vintage makes. This looks like it's going to be really pretty. I really like the color. I've never done anything so bold a color. It's like it's kind of an orangey yellow. So it's not, yeah, it's kind of orangey. The colorway is called School Bus Yellow. I don't know if you can see that. School Bus Yellow. And it is, the yarn that I'm using is Patton's Astra. And it's a 3-weight yarn. So light 3. And that's what the pattern recommends, a light 3. So hopefully it'll turn out really nice. It looks like a beautiful piece. I would encourage you all to try it with me so that if we come into any struggles with it, the yarn is on the floor, that's why I can't find it, then we can kind of help each other out. But so far, I've been okay with it. Seems to be working okay. So hopefully it'll stay that way. So that's where I am so far. I started it last week. But then I didn't get a chance to continue, but I'm going to try and keep plugging away at it. What I am wearing today is my previous Vintage Wednesday pattern, which was the stole with cuff, sleeve, and pocket, which I never put in the pocket because I didn't like the way it looked. So I just put this little button here. Let's see if you can see it. I just put a button here and I wear it like this, so that it's kind of like a poncho. And it's really beautiful. I'm really proud of this project. It was, it took quite a bit of time to make the stitch, but it's kind of time consuming because of the way the stitches worked. But I did it because I am dedicated to this channel and all the people that have subscribed and returning subscribers. I'm dedicated to you all. So yeah, so I'm just trying to put content out there that you might be interested in. I'm hoping that more and more of you would join me in doing this vintage pattern, the breakfast jacket. And I also have that one, the Juliet dress. That was the very first one. I also have a tutorial on how I did the sleeve on that. I have a tutorial on how I did the stitch. And then the one before that was the Pebble dress baby set pebble stitch baby set for baby girl. I don't have that anymore because I gave that to my daughter, but I do have some pictures of it, which I'll post here. So that's where we're at for Vintage Wednesday. Today again is June the 16th, 2021. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all to new subscribers and people coming back again. I really appreciate your support and all your comments. And if there's anything that you want to see on this channel, let me know. I do tutorials as well. I'm just trying to figure out what to do next. I'm just got my thinking going here, trying to get that going. I had quite a few. I'm getting lots of views on the I guess because it's summer, it's I'll put a picture of it here somewhere. How to crochet sleeves onto a tank top. I'm getting lots of views on that. I also have, if you're looking for summer things, that's one I can suggest. Another one is the spring top that I just recently did. That's a fairly new tutorial, and it's a nice light summery springy top that you can work on. If you hadn't heard of it, it's here as well. I'll put another picture of it. And I think that's it, but I'm just trying to get some ideas of maybe possibly going to be doing a tank top. I'm not sure. Just having time to do it all. I work full time, so this is just my hobby, and I really enjoy it. I really enjoy the community. All the new subscribers, all the coming subscribers that keep coming back. I'm so grateful for you all. Yes, and I also have been thinking about doing a crochet along on that Juliet dress. And I want to do it during a live session. If anyone's interested in that. Where is it? There it is. The Juliet dress. I got to get some more yarn because I want to try it in a cotton, because this one that I used was a medium 4, which was recommended by the pattern. But I find that it's really, really thick. So it's good. Like I made that at like a tunic. I didn't make it too long, so I can wear it in the winter as a sweater tunic. But if you're interested in doing that, I wouldn't mind doing that. I have to get my yarn yet, and maybe if I get a good response on that, then that's something that we can do. And it will be kind of like a tutorial because we'll be doing it together, and I'm going to try and have it so that you're seeing me crochet, but at the same time you're going to see a camera crocheting on my, showing my hands as I go through and make that piece. So I don't know if anyone is interested. If I get quite a few or a good response on it, I may do that as well. So that's another idea. So let me know what you think of that. Thank you. So that's it for today. And if there's any kind of tutorial that you're interested in, that you haven't seen, or that you want, I have actually done that for a subscriber. She needed some. She was looking for tutorials on how to do cafe curtains for her kitchen, and I got a huge response on that. So I'll leave you the link for that as well. But if there's anything that you want that you're not seeing out there, just run it by me, and I'll see what I can do, because I tried to accommodate and help out my subscribers in any way that I possibly can. So anyways, that's my video for today. Thanks again for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this. Leave me a comment if you'd like to say anything. And I appreciate you all, and we'll talk to you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Let me show you something.